Hey guys, and welcome back again to my channel, The Appalachian Home. So today I thought it would be fun to do a Christmas tree ornament project. I'm just using some glass ornament balls to make these, so I thought you guys might enjoy this video. I'm just starting out with some glass ball ornaments, and I got these from Amazon. If I do this project again, I'll definitely get the shatterproof version because I did end up breaking a few of these. I'm also going to be using a few different types of spray paint and some juke cord, and I also made some decals to go on the ornaments using the Cricut Maker. I'm using these little food gloves to put on my hands because I'm actually just going to put the ball right over my finger and spray paint it that way. You can also set these up on some sticks, but I thought it was just easier to do it this way. So I'm just going to spray paint a really light coat, and I'm going to be using a hairdryer to dry these. It really speeds up the drying process, so that is a tip if you're going to be doing this project. On these, I used a flat black paint, a chalk white, and a satin red, though they definitely came out a little bit glossier than I thought they were going to be. But once I had them completely painted and they were dry, I took a can of Mod Podge spray sealant in a matte finish and just sprayed a light coat over all of them. So now I'm going to show you how I made these little decals with my Cricut machine. I just went into Cricut Design Space and found some little star shapes and snowflake shapes, but I drew a circle that was the size of my ornaments. Mine were 3 inches. You can use these for whatever size you're using, and then I just sized them to the shape. I like doing it this way because I can arrange them and kind of see how I want to place them. And then I just duplicated them. I think I made 21 of these little stars for each ornament, and that worked out great. Also created some text. This text I believe is called Last Factory, and I just made some different sayings and quotes and fit those to the shape also. And I did a video a while back on how to do this circle dotted border. I'll link it up here in the card so you can go and check that out. But I made a few of these to go on the bottom and top of my ornaments, and I really liked how they turned out. But once I had all of the images created, I just cut these out on some white permanent glossy vinyl. I used medium tack clear transfer tape and just placed it all over the entire set of decals, and then I'm just going to cut these out separately and put them on the ornaments one by one. So when you are placing a flat decal on a round surface, a trick that I learned is to cut around all of the little letters in your decal, between your words, between your letters. That makes it a lot easier to place the decal, because if you don't, this is going to get a little bit jumbled up. So if you cut some slits in your decal, it makes a lot of room to fit over the surface of your ornament. these up, you can cut a piece of jute cord or string. I used a piece that was about 12 inches long and just tied a knot in the end of that, and then I ran it through the end of my ornament so that I could hang these on the tree. I love doing Christmas projects and Christmas crafts, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a ton more of these Christmas DIYs coming up, so be sure to stick around and watch out for those videos. I also have some requested tutorials coming up, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in a couple days with another video.